Hello guys, mahilig ba kayo sa buko salad pero walang buko? Let's try this DIY. Like this one. Ilagay natin yung coconut milk, then sugar, and then this jelly. This one flavored curry. Then that's 2 cups of water.
And is about to wrap up a big project for work. Just as soon as she deals with all this, she could use some focus.
So ayan, haluin po natin. Haluin natin at pakuluin, then isali natin. So ayan, isinali na natin yung nilutong jelly with the coconut milk. So alisin natin yung bula. Dahil patutuyuin natin siya. Ay, patitigasin natin siya. So ayan.
Are you looking at 4x4s on cars.com again?
I honestly don't know what you're talking about.
I was thinking.
Pagkatapos mawala yung bula-bula, isali natin siya at kayo rin ng ganito.
That looks so cool.
Ayan, para ka na may buko salad. So, ayan, para ka na may buko salad.
Fresh buko.
Ayan, pwede ka na gumawa ng buko salad na masarap.